Good morning, everyone. My today's topic is days to celebrate only. But in our last class, we talk about religious festivals and national festivals. National festivals are the festivals which are celebrated by the whole nation. Those are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. Today, we are going to learn about the religious festivals. Religious festivals are the festivals which are related to our religion. Like some festivals are celebrated by Hindus, some festivals are celebrated by Muslims, and some festivals are celebrated by Christians and Sikhs, etc. So today we are going to have a review about religious festivals. Religious festival, first one is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights, and I think it's favorite festival of everyone, isn't it? The festival celebrates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. ये फेस्टिवल दिवाली हम क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? ये एक फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स है. इट इज़ द फेस्टिवल ऑफ हिंदूज ऑल्सो, एंड दिस फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स, ये फेस्टिवल हम इसलिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं क्योंकि इस दिन लॉर्ड राम जी अयोध्या वापस आए थे 14 ईयर्स के एग्जाइल के बाद. People decorate their houses with diyas and candles. I hope all of you decorate your houses with diyas, candles, etc. We wear new clothes, we exchange gifts, sweets, etc. And you people burn crackers also, which cause lots of noise pollution and air pollution. So we should never ever burst crackers. It should be cracker free, eco-friendly Diwali. We should celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Another religious festival is Dussehra. The festival of Dussehra is celebrated by Hindus. This festival is a celebration of victory of good over evil. Fine. सच्चाई की जीत. Huge effigies of Ravan with his brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad are burned every year on this day. जिस दिन दशहरा होता है आप लोग बाहर मार्केट जाते हैं, घूमने जाते हैं, और वहाँ पर आप क्या देखते हैं कि रावण, मेघनाद और कुंभकर्ण के स्टैचूज़ को वो बर्न करते हैं, है ना. नाउ अनदर रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल इज़ ईद उल फितर. इट इज़ कॉमनली कॉल्ड एज ईद and it is celebrated by Muslims to mark the end of holy month of Ramzan. Special prayers, namaz are offered in mosques. People exchange gifts with each other. A special feast with sevia is served for all friends and families. Muslims also celebrate Eid ul-Zuha, that is Bakrid. They sacrifice a goat on this day. Another religious festival is Guru Purab, which is celebrated by Sikhs. Sikhs celebrate the birth of Sikh Gurus as Guru Purab. Huge processions are taken out on this day. नगर कीर्तन निकलता है ना, आप लोग इंजॉय करते हैं उसमें. प्रेयर्स आर ऑफर्ड एट गुरुद्वारास, कीर्तन इज संग एंड अ स्पेशल मील कॉल्ड लंगर इज सर्व टू ऑल. गुरुद्वारे जाकर सब क्या करते हैं? कीर्तन करते हैं, और वहाँ पर क्या हमें मिलता है? लंगर मिलता है एज अ प्रसाद. नाउ क्रिसमस. On 25th of December every year, Christians celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ as Christmas. People attend midnight mass at church and sing carols. It is believed that on this day, Santa Claus brings gifts for the children. Easter and Thanksgiving are also celebrated by Christians. There are some other festivals also which are religious. Like Holi is the festival of colors. It celebrates the arrival of the spring season. Holi is फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स. हम इस दिन क्या करते हैं? कलर्स लगाते हैं एक दूसरे पर, वाटर के साथ खेलते हैं और इन्जॉय करते हैं. गॉडेस दुर्गा इज वर्शिप्ड बाय ऑन दुर्गा पूजा. जन्माष्टमी सेलिब्रेट्स द बर्थ ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा. कृष्ण जी का बर्थडे होता है जन्माष्टमी वाले दिन. पोंगल इज अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन तमिलनाडु. फार्मर्स थैंक्स द लॉर्ड फॉर bountiful harvest. Raksha Bandhan celebrates the love between brother and a sister. On this day, sister tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Teej celebrates the arrival of monsoon season. Let me give you a quick recall about this chapter. We celebrate functions like birthdays, weddings and anniversaries. We also celebrate religious and national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. Dashera, Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Guru Purab, and Christmas are religious festivals. Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Tej, Holi, Pongal, and Durga Puja are some other festivals. Dash is a festival of love between a brother and a sister. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love between brother and sister. Children play with colors on Holi. Dash is a national festival celebrated in the month of January. Republic Day. Republic Day comes on 26th January. Yes. Dash festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. That is Pongal. Pongal festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Every year on 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Fine. This was in the fill-ups. Yes. One function you celebrate with your family. It's our birthday. The national festival celebrated on 2nd October. It's Gandhi Jayanti. The festival to worship goddess Durga. It's Durga Puja. Ravana's effigy is burnt on this date. It's Dashera. The festival to mark birthday of Sikh Gurus. It's Guru Purab. Two types of festivals are national festival and religious festivals. Who hosts the national flag on Independence Day? Who hosts the national flag on Independence Day? Prime Minister. Prime Minister hosts the national flag on Independence Day. Where is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi? Rajghat in Delhi. We should not burn crackers. Why? We should not burn crackers because it causes lots of air and noise pollution. Thank you everyone. This was all for today.